Problem number 12. So before starting to solve this problem, I'm going to rewrite the problem by just reordering 2 and 3. So let me write the larger number first. So let me write the problem as 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 square plus 2 square, 3 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4, and so on. 3 512 to 512 over 3 to the power 1024. So that's just like I switched the places. As you can see, the powers are powers of 2. 1, 2, 4, 16, 32, 128, 256, and 512. So there are like 9 powers, 10. So like if you start with 0, like 9, 10. So you have like 10 parentheses basically. So what I'm going to do is add one extra parenthesis here that doesn't change the final result. In fact, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And multiplying by 1 doesn't make any difference, right? So, but it helps me to simplify the expression. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So the first two. If I use the a square minus b square formula, it's 3 square minus 2 square, right? And then what is solid? This one turns out to be 3 square minus 2 square. What's 3 square minus 2 square? Multiplied by 3 square plus 2 square. So this one multiplied by this one. If I don't do the numbers, just use the a square minus b square formula, it turns out to be 3 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4. And then if I do 3 to the power 4 minus 2, 4 by the next term, 3 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power. So I'll get a square minus b square formula again. That gives me 3 to the power 8 minus 2 to the power 8, and so on. So as you can see, every time I get the difference, 3 to the power 8. So like the next number here is 3 to the power 8 plus 2 to the power 8. So when I multiply, I get 16, then 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and then at the end I multiply it with this one. So basically the product of these parentheses is going to be 3 to the power 1024 minus 2 to the power 1024, because the last one is this, and then when it gets doubled, it's 1024 minus 1024 plus 2 to the power 1024. So this one turns out to be here for a reason, to cancel out this one, right? And over 10 to the power 24, and this one is also for a reason, to cancel out this. So these two are together 0, and then this one and this one gives you 1. So the result of this expression is just 1.